packed up and heading out for Portland. Honestly, it's been a rough start and we're gonna get there kind of late. Well, later than I wanted to, but hopefully I'll feel better when we're driving. If I get any footage on the way, I'll put it in here. Hello, it's voiceover Sav here to explain. I didn't get much footage this night because we were just getting into town. We were pretty tired and spending time with my boyfriend's family. But we went out to this really cool Thai place. It's called OK Chicken and I would highly recommend it. I got the fruit punch drink, the khao soi with tofu, and the 2 desserts there, and they were both really delicious. Then we went home and basically just hung out. I petted my boyfriend's family cat, Napoleon. He is super skittish, but super sweet too, and cute. But that's about it for this day, and the next day was my boyfriend's dad's birthday, so I didn't get much footage then, except for in the afternoon we went on a little walk. Pillbug. We got the black cat. Hi, sorry my hair's still wet. So today we've basically just been celebrating my boyfriend's dad's birthday. We went to mini golf and we went to the game store, and I'll show you a little bit more about that later. We got some exciting stuff. Well, I totally forgot to share what we got at the game store. They've got anime DVDs as well, so I got the complete series of Strawberry Panic. This was my childhood. Watching this on like 1 out of 7 part episodes on YouTube. If you know, you know. Bro. I literally, what a find. It says Yuri fan. I'm a Yuri fan. I mean, so yeah, this is super sick. This is pretty nuts. I think this is a year 2000 original Perfect Blue DVD. We were like on our way out and they stopped us and they're like, you might be interested in this. So crazy. Wow. I'd love to collect like all of Satoshi Kon's work, honestly, and this is like such a cool find. This is definitely, I mean, my boyfriend and I are both obsessed with The Simpsons, but he's like, that's like his whole thing. And we are slowly collecting the box sets and the DVDs. So that's super cool. 4th season. It's really solid. So, and he's kind of hard to see, but this is a little kitty we got from the Gachapon machine. He's like got the victory pose. A black cat, so he's my favorite. Super, super cute. Yeah, I think today we're just gonna chill and hang out, have dinner, and celebrate. Hi! I just got off work, so if I'm all like messy, just forgive me. I got another package. This one is from France. Let's open it up. Ooh. Oh wow! There's some extra little things in here. First of all, there's a little note. It says, "Thank you for your purchase, Savannah. Hope you like it." It's in super cute glitter gel pen. This is a package from creme. They are a Lolita fashion creator, sewist from France. Oh, cool. And there is their app. Perfect. Creme.frills. Creme? I can't really do the French accent, unfortunately. Oh, I love their art too. So cool. Cute. Looks like Miku. This is definitely going on my my wall of cards, and this one too, honestly. Cute. All right. Here's the main event. There are 2 pieces. Ooh, oh my gosh. This one is a, wow. This one's a lace choker. There's a little, oh, what would you call that? Like chiffon? Chiffon, or like a ribbon rosette. This is like my favorite color pink of all time. It's like a bubblegum color. Wow. There's little pearls. There's little pearls in the lace. It's like a beautiful crochet. Yeah, like a beautiful crochet lace. Wow. And then there's a tie, a ribbon tie at the back, so it makes it pretty size inclusive. Different neck sizes. And then here is the headdress. That same beautiful crocheted kind of cotton lace. Cotton? I think it's cotton. And then I'd say like reddish pink flowers on kind of a cream off-white background. I'm actually glad that this is so kind of light and less saturated. It looked a little more saturated in the photos, and I think this will be nice to wear with white or with, yeah, anything light, off-white. There is their stamp, creme. I hope I'm doing okay. And then it's like a white ribbon tie with those same pink rosettes. Let's try it on. Definitely doesn't go with my outfit, but it is so cute. Honestly, I could wear this with pink too. I don't have any pink main pieces or white main pieces. I need to stop collecting accessories and start getting main pieces. But these ones together. I'm gonna try on the choker. I was kind of afraid because I didn't want to like mess it up. Let me put my hair up. Oh, I guess I'm already wearing a necklace. I think it'll be fine. Oh, it's like, oh, it's kind of off center. That's kind of cute. Oh, wow. It's almost like a ruff. Oh, this is so cute. That's cool because you can wear it off to the side if you want, or slightly turn it, and then it'll be right in the middle. Wow. Sorry, I look myself in the video, but let's see what these look like together. The ribbon tie is a really nice touch, and these feel really well made. Very nice quality. Okay. Oh my gosh. I feel so cute. Wow. This is just darling. Wow. So pretty. I will warn, oops, oh no, it's stuck. I will warn US buyers that the rules have changed. Unfortunately, shipping from France is a huge ordeal to the United States, probably because of tariffs. So the shipping was quite expensive, but I would say that it's worth it. Oh my gosh. This is still stuck. I'm gonna get this off and then come back. I'm back. I'm back and unstuck. So all in all, I want to say that these pieces are very, very beautiful. I just can't get over the pearls on this crochet part. And it's like a floral pattern. So pretty. I will say these are obviously handmade, and that's not a dig or anything. I think that the materials they've used are really beautiful. But yeah, I like items that look more handmade, that maybe aren't like 100% perfect, because it reminds me of old school EGL when people would hand make everything from patterns. And it's unique, so, you know, I appreciate the little differences. I think these pieces are so gorgeous, and the materials are just stunning. I can't wait to get like a pink dress, a white dress, an ivory dress, something so I can wear this. It's just so gorgeous. Well, thank you, Creme, for making these beautiful pieces and being willing to work with the awful shipping conditions. I hope things get better, and I hope a lot of things. But thank you for being willing to work with me, and I hope to enjoy more of your pieces in the future, and I will definitely. I'm so excited. I wish I had something to wear with this right now. I just got home from work. I don't think tonight's gonna be like a super interesting night to vlog, but I liked my makeup, so I wanted to show it off. And I wore my little bunny hoodie for Bunny Day on accident. I didn't even know it was Bunny Day. So it just started raining. My hair's probably messy. I feel like this is gonna be a pretty short vlog because the last couple days really didn't have much going on. I'm like really tired right now, honestly. I am happy my skin's been looking like a little bit better. I went back to using the Pixie Beauty Glow Tonic and my skin just like loves it for some reason. I'm sure there's better skincare out there, but you know what? I won't argue with my skin. I was getting like a bunch of pimples there for a minute, and I never get pimples. I get blackheads and like oily stuff, but never pimples. Anyway, I'm about to go back into work for the last little bit, and then I'll be on my weekend. Thank God. Thank God. I should have brought my umbrella, but people always look at me funny because it's like frilly, angelic pretty umbrella. And I don't care, but it's like, I don't want to deal with that. We had a couple of rainy days. Unfortunately, there's only a couple of hollyhocks left. The other ones got eaten, probably by deer or squirrels or something. But I'm hoping these ones will survive. I'm kind of afraid to like weed around them because they're kind of hidden and hopefully the deer won't see them. I don't know if that's like a good idea though. But yeah, there they are. I'm not feeling too hot. I'm really tired after this last week and I don't know, I'm kind of in like a bummer mood. I tried to do some self-care and it made me feel a little bit better. Like I tried out these little pimple patches for the first time. I don't know if it'll do anything. I just don't usually get pimples and I don't want to like pop them and like upset my skin because I usually get like blackheads and I get like the stuff on my nose, sebaceous filaments. I usually get that and not like pimples. It's not a big deal, but I just don't want to cause any more like scars for myself or anything. The good thing is the toner really is like helping. I feel like my skin looks more even. Yeah, I don't know. Probably just gonna edit this video, hopefully have it up by tomorrow. And I'll play probably a little Animal Crossing. It's been a little while. I kind of got out of the habit, but I do have something exciting coming in the future that will hopefully make me more excited about Animal Crossing. Not specifically New Horizons. I do also really want to make some videos that aren't vlogs soon. I have like a ton of ideas, but I'm usually editing and stuff on my days off, and also I don't want to get all like ready, so I have to kind of film them on my work days, which I never really want to. But yeah, I'm gonna play a little Animal Crossing, edit some more on this video, hopefully have it up by tomorrow, and go to bed. I did do some laundry, so I feel a little bit better having done something. But also, I took care of myself and I rested and I'm drinking water. Trying to survive. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video and sticking through to the end. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.